HB300 significantly expands the definition of a Texas covered entity. A covered entity is now defined as any person or entity who, this is a long one, for commercial, financial, or professional gain, monetary fees or dues, or on a cooperative, nonprofit, or pro bono basis, engages in or in part and with real or constructive knowledge in the practice of assembling, collecting, analyzing, using, evaluating, storing, or transmitting protected health information, comes into possession of protected health information, obtains or stores protected health information under this chapter, or is an employee, agent, or contractor of a person, insofar as the employee, agent, or contractor creates, receives, obtains, maintains, uses, or transmits protected health information. This revised definition is broad and includes not only healthcare providers, but also those entities and individuals who, under the HIPAA privacy rule, a federal regulation that protects the privacy of individual identifiable information, would be classified as business associates and healthcare payers. In addition, the Texas Act's covered entity definition includes government units, information or computer management entities, schools, health researchers, healthcare facilities, clinics, and persons who maintain an internet site. As a result, this revision impacts any entity that conducts business in Texas and collects, uses, and/or stores PHI. While HITECH only covers law firms representing covered entities, HB300 has expounded upon those regulations to cover any law firm handling medical records, health insurance records, or healthcare billing records.